Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole Marie and Gary. Today, you guys, I have homemade kebabs. I took them off the skewers, but I have homemade kebabs and I have a chicken on garlic rice in the background. Let's get a thumbnail real quick. All right. For those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. And for everyone that keeps coming back, thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. I hope you watched my previous video. If you haven't, it'll be the video behind this of how I made these beef kebabs or beef skewers. I hope you all are doing well. I made a sauce, a dipping sauce. Excuse me. I made a dipping sauce, but I'm just gonna drizzle it on here. So what this is it is mayo and sour cream, and it's like a dill sauce, but I also added tahini to it, you guys. So I thought I'd go ahead and put this on here. There we go. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. Let me get this closed up. Or I'll just put that right there. I'm not sure when you guys will get this video. These videos will be back to back though. Cheers. Yes. So let's go in ahead and get the first bite. So I have marinated beef. I got peppers and onions. Like I said, if you watch that video, you'll see the process of how I made these. Take the first bite, y'all. I did really good. I used dried dill pickle juice because it has that dill flavor, but I also put tahini in it. How is it, honey?
Good.
You're eating all, did you try the beef?
Yeah, I've been doing that for a long time.
I tenderized the meat and I marinated it for about, I think, 5 hours. I just wanted to come on here and share this real quick because this is delicious. I did do a real good job. I didn't really come here with a topic, you guys. I just came here to show off the goodness. It is delicious. are those sounds of enjoyment, honey.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comment section, how do you guys like to make your kebabs? We've made them in many, many, many different ways. This homemade sauce was so easy to make. I love it. It's really good. It goes well with this. Mm-hmm. Are you guys enjoying your summer so far? I hope you guys are all well. It's my birthday month. I know I think I've said it before. We're thinking about going down to the casino because Gary won a $20 free play at Ribfest. So it won't be our money necessarily going into there. It'd just be something fun, something different, because we haven't been down there in a long time. And if you hear Gary belching, it's because he's just enjoying his food. We bring it to the real with you guys. He currently has Top Gun on. I heard there's a new Top Gun movie, isn't there, Cakes?
Maverick.
I think Tasty Lacey, she was talking about she'd went and seen that.
What is Sherry?
Oh, Sherry did too?
Yeah.
If you guys have seen the new Top Gun, let me know. You can't go wrong with this. Especially the sauce that I made. It's really good. Of course, the ring light's gonna white it out, but I just wanted to pop on here, have a little meal with y'all. That was delicious. It really was. Nothing like homemade. All right. Hope you all are doing well. Leave me some juicy comments so we can talk back and forth. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, you guys. Until next video, stay blessed, stay safe. Have a wonderful day. And I hope you're all enjoying your summer. Until next video. Bye, y'all.